Transistor as an oscillator. In before video we discussed about transistor as an amplifier. Now we are going to discuss about transistor as an oscillator. Oscillator. Oscillator means it's a device which is converts the DC into AC. DC into AC. And that oscillator consists of a three parts mainly. In that case, here these are the three parts. First one is a LC circuit. This is the LC circuit, and here inductance and capacitance are connected in parallel to each other. This is called as a tank circuit also. This circuit is also called as a tank circuit. Tank circuit. And this coil is called as a tank coil. This is a LC circuit and a transistor amplifier. Second one is a transistor amplifier. This is transistor amplifier and it is connected as the forwardly biased, and the collector region is connected as a reversely biased. And third one is a positive feedback circuit. Positive feedback circuit means whenever the connected, here L is the one of the inductance and another is this is called as a tickler coil. Tickler coil. And there is some of the feedback is connected to with the inductor, and with this inductor tickler coil to the tank coil. Due to the mutual induction of this, whenever in the circuit the key is switched on, means connected key is in the circuit connected, then the collector current will passes through the circuit, so that the L is also the base current increases as well as the collector current increases, so that due to the mutual induction of this feedback, due to the mutual induction of between the L dash and L, and EMF is induced to L, and EMF is induced to L. When the key is connected, then here the collector current passes through the circuit as well as the base current is also increases, base current and the collector current and increases, so that due to the mutual induction between the L dash and L and the tickler coil and tank coil, due to the mutual induction, and EMF is induced to the L. This will charge the upper plate of the capacitor positively. The upper plate of the capacitor conductor positively. Whenever it gets positively charged, this process is continuous, and again this due to the collector current, this L dash is also come to the maximum value. Due to the mutual induction, this is also charged, and due to the charging, the capacitor's upper plate will be positively charged. Whenever it is forwardly biased, then the base emitter current, whenever this is the forward biasing, it supports the forward bias, means the base emitter junction will be forwardly biased. So that's why this, whenever it gets due to the mutual induction, EMF is induced, means a magnetic flux is induced, magnetic flux is linked, so that due to the mutual induction it is induced and it increases the charge, it tries the charge of positive, it is positively charged the upper plate of the capacitor, so that it supports the forward bias. A base emitter current will be passes, so that emitter current and collector current will be increases. That emitter current and collector current will be increases. So that increment of emitter current and collector current, this L dash tickler coil comes to the maximum value. When the collector current becomes saturated, means come to the maximum value where the transistor comes to saturated state. When the collector current becomes maximum value, then the transistor comes to the saturated state. When it comes to saturated state, it is saturated, then this L dash comes to the steady value, it links the steady value due to the mutual induction, then there is no magnetic mutual, due to the mutual induction there is no magnetic flux is discontinued. magnetic flux is discontinued because of there is no increment of this one. This comes to steady value because of IC means collector current comes to the maximum value, it doesn't increase. So that's why this saturated transistor comes to the saturated state, so that there is no any increment of this L dash. So that's this due to mutual induction the induced EMF is the magnetic flux linked with this one can be discontinued, so that the L dash, the L inductance will be goes on withdrawing the charge, decreasing the charge, so that the here the current, emitter current and collector current has also goes on decreasing, and which the linked magnetic flux linked with the coil L will increase the charges the down plate of the capacitor, lower plate of the capacitor, so that the forward bias is opposed. The forward bias is opposed the decrement of the emitter current, decrement of the decreasing the emitter current, which opposes the decreasing the emitter current and collector current. If the forward bias is removed, then this collector current comes to 0. The collector current goes on decreasing and comes to 0, and this lower plate will be positively charged. Means whenever the collector current becomes 0, it comes to the cutoff state. Comes to the cutoff state. Again this process can be repeated. Whenever the keys is going on, then this will be positively charged, it is forwardly biased and it is reversely biased, so that's why it is forwardly biased due to the collector current and emitter current will be increasing circuit, and it is due to the mutual induction, then it is also charged, so that's why the upper plate can be charged positively. It is becomes maximum more positive charge whenever the collector current increases in the circuit due to the mutual induction and EMF is induced to the L. EMF is induced to the L. Here we can get the output, so that whenever it gets due to the mutual induction and EMF is induced to the L, and the magnetic flux is linked with this the feedback, then the upper plate of the capacitor is more positively charged until it reaches the, whenever it reaches the saturated state, the transistor comes to the saturated state, then the collector current becomes maximum, then the particular coil will having the steady value. So that whenever it comes to the steady value, after that when the magnetic flux which is feedback is discontinued, so that the inductance is discharged means the capacitance, the positive charge is discharged in the support of the inductance, the capacitor is discharged with the support of the inductance, inductor L, so that due to the linked with the magnetic flux is linked with the particular coil is the lower plate of the capacitor can be positively charged, so that's why here the forward by whenever it is getting positively charged, it is charged, upper plate is positively charged, which will support to the forward biasing of base emitter junction, base emitter current. So that here whenever it is positively charged, then the forward bias is opposes. Forward bias is opposes. So that here there is no further decrement in the collector current. By avoiding the forward bias, when the collector current becomes 0 and it will comes to the cutoff region, and means the transistor comes to cutoff state. This process is going on from the cutoff region to the saturated, saturated to the cutoff, cutoff to the saturated due to the mutual induction between the tickler coil and tank coil. Once it is having the steady value, whenever the collector current becomes maximum, when it will transistor comes to saturated state, and this will be discontinued, and after that, after discharging the capacitor supply plate by the support of the inductance, due to the link, the down lower plate of the capacitor can be positively charged, which forward bias is opposed for the decrement of the current in the circuit. Then by avoiding the forward bias, the collector current becomes 0. Means that come from the saturated state to the transistor is comes to cutoff state. This oscillations will be happen. This transistor amplifier, the transistor amplifier will increase the DC lower DC voltage to the DC lower voltage of AC to the into higher voltage of AC. The transistor amplifier will increase the low voltage of AC into the high voltage of AC. So that here the three parts will be works like this. The LC circuit means due to this circuit the oscillations will be happen from the cutoff to the saturated to the cutoff state, the oscillations will be happen. The frequency of oscillations can be F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root L by CB. Already we discussed in alternating current and electromagnetic waves the inductance and capacitance, about the inductance LC circuit in the earlier units, in alternating electricity, alternating current and electromagnetic waves. About the LC circuit we have studied about it. So that it is also, that LC circuit is also known as the tank circuit. In this coil is called as tank coil. And here the inductance and capacitance in the circuit, the frequency of the AC output will be. This is frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LCB. The oscillations whenever this feedback is given to that, the transistor once comes to the saturated state, whenever the collector current is flowing through the circuit, whenever the key is switched on, then after it will comes to the maximum state, collector current becomes maximum, means the transistor come to saturated state, the mutual induction will be no role to play. The magnetic flux is linked to with the L dash is also L with the L also no role to play. So that way it is goes on, the capacitor supply plate goes on decreasing, it's discharging with the support of inductance, so that we can get the output from the here. And also the lower plate of the due to the magnetic flux linked with the coil, it will charge the lower plate of the capacitor. So that's why the forward bias which opposes the decrement of charge current in the circuit. So that by avoiding this one we can get that once it is positively charged, again we can repeat this process from the collector current becomes 0, it comes to the cutoff region. This process can be done between the saturated point state to the cutoff state continuously. So that there is several type of the oscillators are there, then Hörpitz oscillator and Hartley oscillator and Corpitz oscillator, like that. By correcting this the tank circuit in the base biased, then base oscillator we can say, and whenever it is connected the collector, and it can be called as a collector oscillator. So that's why this is about a feedback amplifier or and once again the transistor amplifier already we discussed what is positive feedback circuit. Due to the resistance of the circuit, which is having the resistance, small resistance, internal resistance having by the circuit, due to the resistance of the circuit, some of the electrical energy is converted into the heat energy. To compensate that one, the loss of that a fraction of output feedback from this, the loss of a fraction of output feedback into input circuit by using a inducting coil. If the feedback is in phase, the input that known as a positive feedback, means whenever it is converted from the electrical energy to the heat energy, to avoid that feedback, output feedback in the output feedback, then we will use that another coil. This, if it is in the same phase, then that can be said as that's a positive feedback. This is about a transistor as an oscillator.